Hi friends, welcome back. This is Barbara's Home Sweet Home, and this morning was one of those little grandma heart moments I never want to forget. My grandson Eli woke up, walked right up to my bedside, and held out his tiny little present I picked for him, the Lego Bluey Grannies with Bingo and Bluey. He was standing there, half awake but fully excited, telling me all about how he couldn't wait to open it up and start building it. So, after assessing the box together and talking about whether he had other Bluey Legos, which he doesn't, we headed out to the family room and started to set up what we call shop. We set up shop, and our favorite little low-stress trick for Lego days is I grab a simple baking sheet and let them dump the pieces right onto it. It keeps everything contained. Nothing rolls under the couch, and it instantly feels like a little workstation. So Grandpa Jim helped Eli get started, just enough to build confidence, while little brother sat nearby with his baggie of Cheerios, which is a very common thing for Mr. Isaac. He's our little foodie. And surprising, like a tiny foreman, Isaac was watching over. Now, let me tell you why this set is such a sweet one for the 4 and up crowd. It's designed for budding builders, so it comes with a big starter brick, which is really awesome, and the pieces are sorted into separate bags for each part of the build. That means less overwhelm, less where does this one go frustration, and more of that proud I did it kind of feeling. The set includes Bluey and Bingo dressed up as the Grannies, Janet and Rita, which is honestly the cutest little detail if your kids love the show. And it has a little toy car with a lift-off roof, plus a tiny garden scene and sandbox accessories. So once it's built, the pretend play really continues. Watching Eli build was the best part, because it wasn't just about putting bricks together. He was already narrating his own little story, acting like out his scenes and making the characters talk while he worked. That's what I love about sets like this. It's hands-on, building fun, and imaginative play all in one. And if your little one likes extra guidance, there's also the Lego Builder app with step-by-step instructions and a 3D view. Super helpful for kids who like to see it from every angle. And just a quick grandma note, if you're getting this, pair it with a baking sheet or a little tray and call it their Lego building station. It turns the whole thing into an experience, and it keeps the floors a whole lot happier, and us a whole lot happier from not stepping on them, right? Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.